front brake pad replacement on a 2006 Nissan Altima. Okay. Alright, thanks a lot for checking out the video. I'm Al from Groovy's Car Trek. Today, I'm replacing the front brake pads on a 2006 Nissan Altima. Now we blocked at least one of the tires. Got a block behind the rear tire. And down. Okay. Now we're ready to get busy. 21mm socket. Tire. Back to the side. Okay, first thing we're going to do is compress the caliper here. Open the hood. Make sure that the master cylinder is not overfilled. Check the master cylinder reservoir. See how much brake fluid is in it. Good. So I'm going to use a C-clamp, put it on the back side of the caliper here, another end around front, press against the brake pad. And at this point you check to see how difficult it is to squeeze the caliper together. This is easy, so no issues here. If it was difficult, then I'd have to look into replacing the caliper. So now I'm going to remove the caliper bolts. Okay, so now, normally, to loosen this, you push it down to loosen it. So I'm going to go the opposite direction just a little bit to break up the little bit of Ohio rust. Top, bottom. There you go. I've seen too many bolts broken because of good old Ohio rust. Now that's loose, here's my speed wrench. Out. Now you never want to let your caliper hang by that hose. You can overstretch it, get a kink in or something, and you got luck. So I use these hooks. When it goes along the caliper, one hook goes in the caliper, one end of the hook goes in the spring. And there's our brake pad. Outside, and it's the inboard. Still got about 1/8 of an inch of pad on each side. So we're good. Next, we'll pull out hardware. I've seen some guys that want to reuse this hardware. It's not worth it. All the heat that these things see. But keep in mind, these are two different styles. This is the top, this is your bottom. So the kit here, this is some universal kit made to fit multiple vehicles. So we're going to check and see which ones match up. Top one there. That's the bottom one. Alright, so I'm going to use a brake cleaner. Clean all this off. Clean the rotors off. Okay, so we'll start with the tops. Alright, so the last one I tried, the width was just a little bit wider, so it wouldn't sit in there too well. So make sure you check these. Compare them to the old ones. Alright, so these are new pads. They come with, and all these companies give you a little tiny bag. The other thing I do, which I've done for years, and haven't had any problems, is I'll coat the back of these with disc brake quiet. But you know, a lot of guys, they'll use some spray stuff and spray the backs, and within a few months, the spray wears off and it's coming back. So I use this. So as you see, I'm taking some of the disc brake quiet, put a generous amount on there, slide it around your hand, finger. Now in this particular application, these are wear indicators. They mounted facing up, top side. Alright, so to finish the other side, what I'm doing was taking the caliper bracket off. But what I'm doing was similar when I started removing the caliper itself. This was 19mm on the caliper bracket bolts. I went the opposite direction, actually tightened a little bit to break some of the rust. I started going back and just back and forth, break up the rust, make it easier to take out. So now everything's loose. There's the bracket. So now I'm going to set everything out. Lock off the vehicle. Okay. So now just slide them in. Side. Okay, caliper bracket bolts go back in. Okay, so we're torquing the caliper bracket bolts down to 79 foot-pounds. And my one brake pad just slipped out. Let the shovel gears go back in. There you go. Okay, so then we pull the caliper pins out, clean up the old grease, put new grease on. Slide it back in, make sure they flex, and same with the lower pin. Now we remove the caliper, supports, make sure you remove all the supports, and mount just the top mount here for now. use an old pad, put it in its old place, and I'm going to use the C-clamp to compress the piston all the way back, bring it down into place, and install the lower caliper bolt. Okay, tighten on 14 millimeter. Need again torque to 23 foot-pounds. There you go. Now we do is step on the brake pedal a few times, because right now the pads are just in there floating around. So to seat them, I'll get inside and depress the brake pedal a few times until you have a solid pedal. Alright, so that tires go back on. Line the wheel cover up. Plug your lugs in. Final torque, I'll do by hand. Set the torque wrench to 80 foot-pounds. Take it off the jack stand. And here we go. Now I'll go around twice, just to make sure. Okay, so the other side, set my torque wrench to 80 foot-pounds, and one more time around.